Hello everyone, welcome back to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Today for sale is a 5-bedroom, 2-story house located in Exchange Center. House is priced at Jamaican $40 million or US $257,000. This 5-bed, 5-bath home is being sold unfurnished. It is fully walled and has 2 entry gates. House comes with large tile parking area, garage, laundry room, storeroom, solar water tank, large fruit yard space, and for income purpose, there is a self-contained studio flat with its own kitchen. Now let's take a look at the house. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, for more details on the property, please visit the description area below. Until next time, this is your boy Nick. One love.